Hey guys, it's Gay here from Orion, and today on the workshop we're going to show you how to install or recone one of your Orion subwoofers. Once you get your recone kit in your house or shop, you'll have this here, which is the recone kit. It will come with the spider attached to it, the voice coil, everything is just one single piece, even with the surround. Beside that, you'll have all the screws you need and a nail wrench, and these, which are the alignment pins. So once you got all that set up, you need to get your old woofer and remove the old recon kit, which is the burn one you want to change. For that, you need to take out the screws from the ring, which is the round aluminum ring you have holding down the surround. You take all those screws out, and you take the 4 screws that hold the spider. You gotta take those from the bottom of the woofer. So you take all those here and just pop out the old recon kit. Once you pop this out, you'll have a side of your actually engine on your motor, and you need to clean the part of the motor where the voice coil will go in. So you don't want any dust there. So just clean that nicely, and you will be able to put the recon kit, the new one, in. So now to install the new recon kit, let's imagine you got your recon kit here, and this is your engine. You just put it in like this, and once it's in, before you put all the screws or you tighten them, you need to put the alignment pins from the bottom of the basket. You will see tiny holes. Those are meant for these alignment pins. That is the way you align the voice coil while you tighten all the screws. Once you put these alignment pins in, you put all the screws and you tighten them in the cross section. Like this one will be first, then you do the other one opposite, then this one, and then the one opposite. Same with the ones on the spider. After you tighten all the screws, remember to take the alignment pins out, and your woofer will be like new. No gluing. That's it. You have the new woofer ready to use. Well, that's it, guys. That's all for workshop today on how to recone an Orion subwoofer. If you need more information from these products, or you want some more products from Orion, log on to orioncorrado.com and stay tuned.